Okay, the next step we're going to do is we're just going to double check some of our room sizes and make sure that we have things around the right size. So we're going to click on the dimension command, and we just need to check a few of these again just to make sure that you're close. Does not have to be perfect. And I'm placing dimensions in here, going back and forth. And then lastly, the kitchen is going to be, it is what it is, but I'll just go ahead and check the inside of the wall. We can see it's 14 feet. It looks like it's supposed to be 13 feet, but it's close enough. We'll leave it at that. All right, the next phase we're going to work on is our doors. So we're going to go back and click on the architecture, and we're going to click on door. Okay, and we need to put doors in here on these angled areas. The doors that we're going to be looking for are inside here. All right, the best would be to use the 34 by 80 if you can fit it in here. And basically a door just clicks on a wall and you can insert the door like that. And we like to have the door, if it's facing in the wrong direction, you can click on the blue arrow and it will swing into the wall. All right, I know that we have some stuff here that we'll deal with those doors a little bit later. Okay, it looks like I'm having a hard time fitting that door in. It's going to hit that wall, so we can take this and we can move this in this direction just a little bit more, tilt it a little bit more on an angle, or we could move this out of the way. Okay, in the closets, okay, up here in this closet we have what we call bifold doors. We'll go back to doors, and you take a look here and you can see the different types of bifold doors that there are. So I'm going to put the biggest one I can get in here. A bifold door kind of goes like that. Remember that if the door doesn't fit or it's too small, you can click on it and you can click back on the properties and you can change it to something a little bit smaller. We'll put a smaller door in there. All right. So there are lots of doors. I've got a small door that goes in here. All right. And we put all of our doors in. And at that point, we have our front door that goes in as well. And that's the front door is down here. And you can pick any of these and we'll just make it work. I'm going to put a bigger door in, and this door is supposed to flip if you look according to the plan. There it goes that way. I'm going to take a look at a 3D view. I go to a 3D view and I can see, you're not going to see all of those things, but you can start to see some of my doors that are in there. All right. Okay. We're also going to do the same thing for windows. Okay. So if we click on window, there's lots of windows in here. I would just pick one style window. Don't use fixed windows. You can use the double hung 36 by 48. You can put different sizes in. It probably doesn't look like, if they're a bunch of different sizes, you can put some that are right close to each other. And you can put more windows in than is required on the plan. We definitely want one in the kitchen where we're going to have the sink. Okay. And we're going to have one in the bathroom. And then we're going to have two in the master bedroom like that. And I'm going to go ahead and put another one in the master bedroom. All right. Again, you have the autonomy to put your windows and doors where they're at. Okay. Put all of your windows and doors in as best you can. When you're done with that, you'll move on and we're going to learn how to trim and split walls.